Hello friends, myself Dr. Deepa Rajan Nimbalkar, a homeopathic pediatrician. And last time I discussed about the growth and development. Now I am going to discuss about stages of growth. It is very important to understand about the growth and development. What is the height? What is the weight of your child? And it varies from age and other things. So stages of growth. Child's growth and development can be divided into four periods: infancy, birth to 1 year; toddler, 1 to 3 years; preschool age, 3 to 5 years; and school age, 5 to 10 years. So this is what the stages of growth, and it varies. You can see how the preterm, newborn, just see the slides, the preterm, how the newborn 0 to 28, infant 28 to 12 month, toddler 12 month, 2 to 5 years, child 6 to 11 years, and adolescents. So it is a complete journey, and we should be aware about it. These are the basic of the child, and I feel every parent should know about this. Every parent should be aware about the growth and development. Many times they are telling doctor like iska height nahi बढ़ रहा है, the height is not growing, but there are certain laws for growth and development. If height is growing, your child may appear you for a thin. So growth and development is very important, and it is into the four stages. Infant, no two infants are the same. They are individual from the moment of a birth, individual difference in physique. Every newborn is different from the other in the way he reacts to various stimuli, and they tend to retain the behavioral styles with which they are born. Behavior of an infant, non-verbal language. Cry is the baby's language. For small baby infants, the cry babies first to express anger, pain, and hunger. It is the method of communicating. Baby generally cry to tell us something is wrong in his world. Stomach is empty, his nappy is wet, he is tired, he needs to be cuddled and held. Non-verbal communication, smile. Smiling response appears constantly to the almost any kind of non-stress stimulation by the age of third week. Eyes, notice the eye-to-eye contact of the infant. It is very important. The smile and eye contact of your child right from the infantile age is very important. For my upcoming series, I will let you know why I am saying this. The child eye contact and other things are important. So there are physical language, emotional language, and social languages as well. So it's very important that mother should be happy during the 9 month of a course that earlier also I discussed with you. Uh, mm, the mother's soothing voice itself enough to make them happy. Nowadays, what is happening? The parents are keeping their child with the mates and they are working on. But no, as a mother, give some time. Both the parents, the father, mother, share some time, good time with your child. Though your child is a small infant, but that voice, that touch will be really helpful for your child. So these are the things, my friends, which is very, very important. And let me sign out and again join. Do subscribe to my channel. It will be more informative for you, and I can tell you the what wonders of homeopathy can do for you. So that's all. Bye.